the only one trade a day indicator, which is available for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on your chart. Additionally, traders can read this page to learn about how the indicator works and its functionality. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file, and by dragging the file onto the chart, we run the indicator. Once the indicator is placed on the chart, it starts displaying buy and sell signals on the price chart. The only one trade, a day indicator, is a special and practical tool that, by using it and the moving average crossovers, generates buy and sell signals for us, which we can use to enter buy or sell positions in the market. In the Settings section, under the Input tab, there are options available for us. In the first part, we can enable or disable the sending of alerts when buy or sell signals are generated. If the first input is set to false, the next two options will not be functional either. But if this option is set to true, in the next option, we can enable or disable sending alerts to the mailbox. And if this option is set to true, in order for alerts to be sent to the mailbox, we must have completed the email settings in the Tools section under Options. And in this last input, we can enable or disable sending alerts as notifications to the mobile. In the next section, under Timeout, we can set the maximum amount of time that MetaTrader will try to send the message. In the next input, we can specify the subject and topic of the alert or custom message. In the next input and section, we can configure the moving average settings, where in the first part we can specify the moving average method for the season. You can choose from simple, exponential, smooth, and linear weighted modes. You can also set the period of the seasonal moving average, which is set to 35 by default. In the next input, we can specify the calculation method for the slow moving average from among the 4 available options here, and finally, set the period for calculating the slow moving average, which is set to 120 by default. This particular indicator is based upon the aforementioned calculation period, which has been meticulously designed solely to generate precise buy and sell signals specifically for us. Furthermore, it is important to note that the more we progressively increase the period values, the fewer signals we will consequently receive, but those signals are invariably more reliable. Well, friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We'd be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comment section.